Hey guys, Walt from Deerfoot Racing here. UPS man just rolled through, brought me a couple more boxes from Go Power Sports. The rest of the parts for this guy, the Mega Monster Moto 212. So let's just go through this box, and this box I think has the accessory goodies for the engine and all that kind of stuff. So got a Go Power Sports hat, got a quart of Tillotson 4-stroke engine oil. We got the muffler, the muffalata. Yeah. We got the heat protection jacket for the exhaust pipe. Oh, look at that! One exhaust header. Interesting. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. Do not throw away. There's a jet. Must be a carburetor and some gaskets, and some other parts. Carburetor. Oh, what's down here? Some stickers and an invoice. And I think this is a mounting bracket for the header, if I'm not mistaken. From some pictures I've seen. And a couple breather filters and a little piece of hose. So that's what's in that box. Give me a second here. Let's see here if I can do this. Hold this camera at the same time. This could be challenging. Let's see here. I'll cut my leg off or something. All right, let's set the knife down. Let's pop this one open. We got in here some packing material, and this should be a Tillotson 212. So, give me a second. I'm going to pull it out of the box, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I took it out of the box, and yes, it is the engine. Tillotson Power Products engine. Let's crack it open and see what she looks like. Put the knife down so I don't cut myself. Some instructions and some lawyer talk there. This is supposed to be electric start 212. So find out here. End up with when you get these engines, you end up with, this is a wrench from a Harbor Freight one. End up with a bunch of these spark plug wrenches. Does anybody use them? Comment if you use your spark plug wrench. So yeah, let me lift this thing out and I'll be right back. All right, I got the engine out of the box. Tillotson 212 electric start. Never had a Tillotson engine before. This is the first. I've never had an electric start engine. We're going to try to keep an electric start on this bike, so we're not going to go crazy eventually with the build, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, 212 Tillotson electric start. Then we have, with this whole kit that came, is the 1-inch muffler. It came with a quart of the 4-stroke engine oil with Tillotson. Got me a pretty Go Power Sports hat. There is an insulator for the exhaust pipe. You got the carburetor and its parts. This is a stage 1 kit to come with it. Exhaust header, bracket to hold the header, and then some filters. So we're going to start installing all this stuff on the engine, get it ready, get it mounted up. I don't know if the electric start part I'm not going to be using right at the moment. I want to get a real tail light, got to get a battery, things like that. So we'll just manually start old-fashioned way and get her riding and get her testing and start having some fun. If you like this kind of stuff, like, share, subscribe. Talk to you guys later. See ya. All right, guys, installed the stage 1 kit, basically, which is the rejet to carb, this adapter for the larger air filter, and then they have the hairnet pre-screen, as I call it. So look at that, Go Power Sports. So that part is on. Now I'm going to go over here, take the muffler off, and I think temporarily here I'm going to remove this stuff here because I'm not going to be using it right off the bat, and just to keep it from getting banged around, and we'll go from there. All right, it's finished. It's finished enough to ride. I took off the starter stuff over there and got a come back to that when I want to get it all set up with the battery and everything else. But trying to figure out their mounting bracket for their header pipe didn't make a lot of sense right at the moment. I gotta look at the website and do some investigating. But engine's in, stage 1 kit's on. It is ready to put some fuel in it and fire it up. So yeah, wasn't too bad. I would definitely say that jacks the shaft install, things like that. The mounting brackets for the side cover there's no instructions to that, no rhyme or reason. You got to kind of figure it out by looking at it, trying different things. I had to shorten a couple 5/16 screws to mount that steel bracket on here that holds the cover on. There weren't any in the kit that I could find, so yeah, it takes a little bit of messing with to get it, but it wasn't bad. So anyways, we're gonna put some gas in it, fire it up, and take it for a little ride.